My next craft is still a work in progress. In the meantime, here are some packages I picked up from the post office yesterday. She is my favorite out of the three. I might also get the redhead. I like her face. I plan to head swap her to a made-to-move body. She was on sale and I wanted her clothes. I don't collect princesses, but I wanted these pajamas for my other dolls. This figure is actually a kit. I've only assembled simpler kits before. I thought this would be fun to try. We'll get back to him in a later craft. This is my second Mons doll. I like this one because her facial expression is the most unique, and she has this sweet teddy bear theme. Bonus stickers, cute. Why the random angry beavers? I've been hooked on these types of blind boxes in recent years. I ordered the red one specifically. I'll unbox it now to make sure the order's right.